Welcome to KidloLand, an award-winning educational program for kids.
Tap on the word which follows the blend sword. Tap on the word which follows the blend snack. Tap on the word which follows the blend steak. Perfect. Tap on the word which follows the blend bolt. Blade. Tap on the word which follows the blend birth. Wait. Tap on the word which follows the blend curve. Grip. Bravo! Tap on the word which follows the blend steam. Tap on the word which follows the blend bolt. Black. Tap on the word which follows the blend wrist. Nice work.